Alright guys, so we're back again, we're back, and you know what that means. We're gonna look at the charts. So this video, this is where I'm gonna make a review of the ideas that I shared here on Trading View. But last week was NFP week, so I did not share a lot of ideas. I did not share many ideas because um I try to avoid taking trades during NFP week because there's a lot of manipulations and whatsoever. So I'm just gonna make a quick video. I think I shared about two. Um, yeah, I think I shared about two ideas. So we're just gonna go through all those ideas and just show you guys what I saw and just explain to you guys what happened. And yeah, man, I think 29th, the 30th, and the 31st. Yeah. So these are I shared only just three ideas. I shared three ideas this week. So let's just go through all these ideas and see what happened and check the results. Okay, so the first one that I shared was NAS. For NAS, and here is the comment that I put. So NAS has been on a bearish and continues to remain on a bearish move. Price has been respecting a new zone after breaking below a previous zone. Still respecting structure, and we have a rejection to confirm the sell. So as you guys can see, this is just what I was saying. So price was moving bearish and it continued being bearish, created a new zone which it then respected and then was kind of moving in this short-term structure. However, we were still respecting this overall structure, which is a downtrending channel. So here is the results, and this is what actually went on. I actually ended up holding this trade for long because, as you guys can see, I held it until this, and I wasn't monitoring it on the market, and actually reversed and then came down. That's when I actually closed. So yeah, and those are the results. So if I can just quickly go over to the charts and show you guys what I was seeing during that time. All right, so for NAS, let's go to NAS and I'll show you guys what I was seeing during that time. Where was it? Where was price moving at? Was it? I think it was right to the 1st of August. This is not the one I shared on Trading View, man. Oh yeah, it's this one. I think. Yeah, it's this one. It's this one. So as you guys can see, this is what I was seeing. So I had something like this as my structure, right? But it was I had something like this as a structure, if I still remember for a while. But you guys can see what I was seeing, and yeah, and this was the support part of that structure. As you guys can see, I was having these touches here, and yeah, and it kind of came in, created this low, and came back, couldn't break above that previous low, which we then confirmed to us is going to be, it's going to act as a medium term zone for us to look for re-entries. So as soon as the market went back to this zone, and it was actually kind of approaching this zone again, kind of in this manner, if you check in this manner. Yes, and that is how I actually got to confirm myself. But yeah, as you guys can see, this was a winner. I think all the ideas that I shared this week were winners. Because I mean, it was just three ideas. Yeah, let's go back to check the other ideas. Okay, so the second one was US state. So as you guys can see, this is what I said for US state. US state is on a bullish trend. As you guys can see, bullish trend, higher highs and higher lows. USDT is on a bullish trend and has just rejected a key zone with what seems to be a double bottom. It has rejected this key zone. This was the zone that I was talking about, this zone, and you can see that it gave us a double bottom here, which is 1 2. So this, which is kind of like a W formation, and yeah, so with what seems to be a double bottom followed by a break of a midterm structure. This was the structure that I was talking about. So to confirm the buy, take into account that the resistance above might be rejected. This is the resistance that I was talking about. What I actually meant about that when I say take into account that this resistance might be rejected. So what I meant was that as soon as the price got here, you must have locked your trade. So this is what I actually meant. So this is how the trade actually went, and this is the result. As you guys can see, we went all the way to smash TP. So if we go over to the chart and just check what we had during that time. All right, so USDT. So I think yes, this is the buy that I took right here. And I remember this is the structure that I had, because this was the structure that was broken, the midterm structure. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this was a clear bullish trend, higher highs and higher lows, and clearly breaking all the key levels, breaking above all the key levels, and then came back. It was just a textbook movement. This was just an easy breakout retest. And yeah, if we check this, you'll see that we had a breakout, break above a resistance, came back to retest it for the first time, rejected it, came back for the second time, gave us a double bottom to reject this key level, and then gave us this engulfing candlestick, which was a clear confirmation for the buy. So I had this resistance here marked. Why? Because I said it might get respected. So as soon as price got here, you must have been on high alert to check what was going to happen. But because my structure was still strong, the trend was still strong, I decided to just monitor and kind of respect it twice, but then we just smashed above it after that. So yeah, and this was also a winner. So you guys do make sure to check me out if you want to catch all these trades with me, because I just shared them there by trading with you, and that's my profile right there. And that's my profile right there. You guys can see. Um, and then this one for USDCHF. So this is what I said for USDCHF. USDCHF has just broken below support and retested while continuing to respect the bearish trend. Clear. This is just clear what I was talking about. So this is the trend that I was talking about, and you can see a clear breakout and retest. Break below the support, came back, retested, rejected. That also respecting the structure. So rejected for the first time, the second time, and the third time. So this was what confirmed the sell. So let's just check and see how it went. So this was the result. So these are the ideas that I shared last week on NFP during NFP week. And yeah, so this is how they went. This was 100% win. So guys, do make sure to follow me there. 100% win. So let's just hop over to the chart and see what transpired during that time when the trade was taken. Okay, so and this is Euro USD. I'm checking out Euro USD also now because it's Monday. The market just opened. I can see a buy is building right there. So, but I wanna hop over to USD CHF. So this is the sell that I took. I actually took a second sell again, as you guys can see there. This was the sell, another sell. This was just the continuation of this movement. So, but during that time when I took this sell, this is the structure that I had. I think yeah, I had something like this. Let me just delete this one and have this right there. Yeah, this is what I actually had. So as you guys can see what I was talking about, the break below this support and then came back to retest while respecting the structure. This was just a clear sell, as you guys can see, and then yeah, went and smashed TP. So and that's just about it. 100% win for last week's ideas, 100% results. Wow, this could have been during the NFP. Yeah, has to be. So I quickly wanna go to gold because I did post a video about gold where I took an NFP trade. So I'm just gonna also make a review of that trade and just give you guys um the results of that trade. So tell you guys what actually happened. Let me just show you guys if I still remember very well. This I took that trade live. So if you wanna see that video, you can check it out. It was the video before this one. So you guys can see this was just a clear breakout retest again for gold as we had broken above this resistance area and then we came to retest it. So this was just a clear buy, and also we were respecting this bullish movement and a bullish structure. So that's when I took a buy right there before NFP, just before NFP I took a buy right there, and as you guys saw, and my TP was actually up there. As you guys saw, I actually took that buy live with you guys, those who saw the video, and here is where I took the buy, but I anticipated that it was going to come and hit the TP there, but actually that's not what transpired. So what actually happened is that I saw that the market was kind of failing to break above this, so that's when I closed again. So because I held again, I held from here, it actually went up there, came back, reversed, and I was still holding. So as soon as it went back to this again, I was like, nah, let me just close. And it's crazy because after I closed, it just dropped. I didn't actually expect this. I didn't see this sell, to be honest. I thought the market was still going to continue to go up. I saw a new high being made, so a new record high being made, but that's what not that's not what happened. So this is actually what happened. So for gold also, this was a buy and it was a good win. This was crazy because I made it live. I took the trade live, and you guys saw those who saw. So yeah, this is a review, 100% week. So this is 100% week. So so you guys just make sure you do check me out on TradingView and follow me there, and also on my socials. I'm there on Instagram, I think, but I'm not that what's I'm not that active on social media. So you can just follow me on YouTube, Rumble, and check these videos that I do update. Make sure I upload every week and I keep the consistency. So just make sure you do check me out. And on TradingView, that's my profile there. This is my profile, and this is where I share all these ideas. So you can go check me out. Go and follow me. So I'm actually pushing. Um, I have 31 ideas shared already. So it's a lot of ideas that I shared there. So yeah,